Yeah, we'll hop on Todd. We still got some Todd to play. But I was recommended a game by a friend. So we're gonna hop on that here in a moment. But we'll hop on Todd afterwards and we'll knock some shit out. Oh, so this is the game that was recommended to me. Holy shit. Let me lower the shrink the face cam here. Holy hell, that scared the shit out of me. Oh shit. All right. Hopefully that volume is good. The skin stapler. No clue. This was recommended to me by a friend. He said, yo, you gotta hop on the skin stapler demo. I'm like, all right. No clue what it's about. Haven't done horror in a long time, too. It looks cool. I only saw some screenshots.
Journal log.
Oh.
February 23rd,
Okay.
1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways.
Okay.
The streets are soaked in junky sweat and bad decisions. Every corner consumed with vermin and vice.
Is it too small?
The same question.
Hold on.
How much farther?
I'll fix
can
it
we
afterwards.
fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city.
Sick. The visuals are
Like paper trails.
visuals are metal as fuck, dude.
Fear and cover-ups. Me? I just whisper. Tuesday.
Please report any possible sighting. Police
This city's
sketch.
drowning in misery.
Looks like
Nothing else for sale. Murder was just waiting.
looks
for
like
its
the
turn.
judge.
Who am I? The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater. And I'm the only one keeping the filth from
The name kind of goes
and
hard.
drowning this city in its own sin.
Slater, come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
No. Oh damn.
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
All right.
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way.
That was a weak ass clap. Anyways. Oh shit, dude. Okay. All right. He hit that drift, I guess. The skin stapler. Carrion City Police Department. Oh, this is kind of fucking me up.
Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale
Is this a
coffee
third-person game?
and disappointment. Let's see what the chief wants this time.
Bet. Oh, it is first person. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's fix this. Is that a little bit better? I don't know. We'll see. If I have to change it later, I will. Okay. Also. Oh, shift sprint. CCPD. Carrion City Police Department. All visitors must sign in. Hey.
Hello, Luna.
Luna.
I see they still have you babysitting the front desk.
You're late again, Slater.
Oh,
I was
shit.
starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
Nah, I didn't.
Yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night.
Well, my
O'Brien's
bad.
Waiting for you in his office.
I'm just goaded. That's why. Gotta move all this shit out of the way.
Lucky me.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
Thank you, Luna. Alrighty. Okay, that was uncomfortably long buzz. What the fuck? This is the police station. Okay. And, area not available in demo. Oh, I see. This police station's fucked. Oh. Wanted. This is I love this atmospheric vibe. It's sick as fuck. What the hell are you? Why am I so freakishly tall? This guy's sitting, so it makes sense.
Slater! Sir! I mean, Detective Slater! Sir!
What?
Elmer,
Why am I so close to him?
chatter about the stapler.
No, sir. But I was just thinking. If you need backup or someone to ride along, I've been logging response times, radio codes,
Excuse me.
crime patterns. I could really help out there.
These streets will chew you up and spit you out.
Why is he at this angle? Oh
Your
god.
place is here,
I have the hiccups now.
at the station.
I just don't want to push buttons forever.
Sorry, Elmer.
You don't want to see what I've seen. Just keep at it, kid. And let me know if you hear anything about this stapler.
Roger that, Mr. Slater.
Thank you, Elmer.
I mean, Detective.
Okay, held my breath. Hopefully my hiccups are gone. Shout out Elmer. He was way too close to my pecorini. This guy looks old as dirt.
You're still chasing Ghost Slater.
Ghost.
Someone has
You
to.
look kind of like a ghost.
Yeah, just don't
Why is he
expect me to keep up anymore.
British?
I've got a foot in the grave.
All right.
It could be worse. Most cops in Carrion City never make it to retirement.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is? Ugh, I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat until I kill over in the streets.
Roger's not making it. Sorry, Raj.
We both share, I'm afraid.
It's not too late for you, dick. But me?
Okay,
Well-
relax.
I'm getting too old for this shit.
It's starting to sound a little insulting the way he says my name. It's Richard.
Well, look who crawled out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
We got an insane cast of
Not even a little.
multi-accented people in this place.
Shit. I got a real thing for men who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Oh.
Then aim lower.
Your loss. Plenty on me at an air station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
Oh, did you know?
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Oh, God.
Hopefully sooner than later. If you talk to him, put in a good word for me.
I'm not your wingman. Get help, Roxy.
Bro, I am Dick, but I'm talking like I'm Bruce, dude. Police Chief O'Brien. Oh, cutscene. Holy fuck! I am old as shit.
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
You're welcome.
If you wanted punctual, you should have
I
hired
still look
a
cold
watch.
as hell.
Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox.
Robbie
Transferred
Knox.
from Rotwood.
Ratwood. This game's cold.
Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the Full Mooner Gooner case
What?
back in '79.
Full Mooner Gooner.
legendary.
Yeah. City was edging on total collapse back then.
Edging.
But I put down that freak. For good.
City was edging,
You
all right.
saved the city.
Steve, I just delayed the inevitable.
Uh,
Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
all right.
Excuse me?
Knox is your new partner.
Okay. Oh,
What? You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone.
chill
I
out,
can't be
dude.
Wasting time babysitting some new transfer.
Now we got it. If he's a transfer, he ain't new.
O'Brien,
Did he fall asleep? What the fuck? What the fuck is going on?
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
Holy fuck. Didn't even take the cigar out of his mouth. Nah, he good with it. He's smooth with it,
Why
bro.
don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
All
Hear
right.
that, Chief?
Roger that, Chief. Oh,
Listen, Dick. The mayor's
Yo, chill
so far
out,
down
bro.
my throat about the stapler that I feel
What?
like I'm in a decent Cox film.
what?
you're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's in order.
You got it. Just chill out on the fucking donuts. Damn, bro. Oh. All right. This I see why you told me to play this, because this is the aesthetic is just fucking awesome. Yeah, no, this is sick. I mean, just look at this. I just fingerprinted the fuck out of my glasses.
Detective Slater.
Yeah, Serape.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Okay.
Rule 2. If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Got it.
Break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
Yo, chill out, dick.
Understood.
Oh, wait, that's me. What's the plan? Let's go catch the skin stapler. Why are we drifting so much? The quick fix. Hot, fresh wieners inside. Okay.
Another beautiful night in Carrion City.
What the fuck
I
is
get
this guy?
suspended stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices.
Oh, Hexy.
But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but
The
best.
jank wagon.
Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust. I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Oh, it's like a little... It's like a gas station? The jank wagon. It ain't too shabby. It's a nice little ride. We got... Excuse me. We got a whole different dude now. I mean, it's like a little gas station. This is sick. I do fuck with this heavy. This looks really cool. Someone's calling. Oh, here we go. All right, Hexy, hit it.
Get your fix at the quick fix.
Oh.
This is Hexy. How can I help you?
Hell yeah.
Oh, hey boss.
Oh,
Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic.
no one else is here? Yo, his hair is insane.
What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day.
Oh, what a
Probably
bitch.
rotten by now.
Hexy's a hard worker. We like Hexy.
Are you calling me on the shitter again? Disgusting.
Yo, what is this game? Interesting recommendation.
All right, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
Fresh wieners. Oh my god. He's just dropping dose traces all over the place, dude. Oh, what are we doing? The vine, the vine boom. It's not the vine boom, but that shit sound like it. Apple Jacks off. Oh, nice. What else do we sell? Blurred stuff. Cram. Those kind of look like Cheetos. What's my objective? What did he say I gotta do? Oh, I need to bring in the stuff from outside. And El Jefe's taking a Stanley steamer. Right, it's out here. Where is it? Holy shit. That's the skin stapler.
Ah, jeez. You scared the crap out of me, man.
That police sketch
What?
is great.
Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes, especially the ones with the killer punchline.
Okay.
Cool. Ready to talk.
Sick.
Need something or...
My. I do have.
How do you know I was gonna be here? Okay, we got hot dogs in the...
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs,
Yeah,
they aren't ready yet. I'm back in 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Alright, skin stapler. We don't know you're the skin stapler, though. I'll see you later. I'll put one to the side for you.
Just another night with another creep. I hate this city.
Oh, don't. We can't lose Hexy, bro. He's just a box of mystery meat. It's fucking hot dogs. We can't lose Hexy, dude. He's the GOAT. He's just trying to make it in this tough world, bro. Wait. How many fucking flies and cockroaches are in this fucking place? Where do I put this thing? It's out of wieners. Yeah, that's what I got this for. No? Do I gotta put it in here? Get back to work. Okay. Oh, what did I just do? Oh, shit. I'm not good at these. Oh. Why do we gotta climb on the table to do this? Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, right. There we go. Those things are dropping like turds, dude. How many times we gotta do this? Okay. Okay. That seemed like all of it. Alright. Okay. Sick. Oh, nice. Oh, lovely. That looks phenomenal. Hello. Welcome in. How can I... Oh. How's it going? Hey, youngster. Let me get a nice long one and make it snappy. A nice long one and make it snappy. Oh, God. Why did I hold it like that? Is there a roller or something? Oh, it's a grill. Okay. Okay. Sick. Now holding an untoasted hot dog bun. So we gotta toast this thing. Wiener cooking. Do we got a toaster or something? Untoasted hot dog bun. Do we got a toaster? Is that what this is? Oh, okay. Wiener's still cooking. Sorry, sir. Yeah, give me a little bit. Oh. Okay. All right. I got you. I need to toast it. Don't worry, we're cooking. I'm now holding a. Where'd the hot dog go? This thing won't. Okay, I don't know where my hot dog went. Oh, steps. Toasted bun, cooked wiener, mustard ketchup, relish, add the works, add hot dog container. Add toasted bun, add cooked wiener, mustard ketchup, relish, the works. Sir, thank you. Oh, thank you for your patience. I'm new. Thank you. Mustard and ketchup. Oh God. Relish. The works. Oh, perfect. Thank you for your patience, sir. Here you go. You have a good one. Why? What the fuck? Alright. We're gonna pre-do this here. That's an interesting gentleman. That was, an experience, that's for sure. Hey, please don't get a hot dog. I don't have a finished hot dog. Okay. Is that what she wants, a hot dog? She wants a hot dog. Thank you. Thank you. So she also wants a hot dog. Ma'am, I'm begging you, please. Oh my God. What is wrong with this fucking town, dude? Okay. I don't even know what to say. How do I transition from this game to Tools of Destruction? Oh, the skin stapler's here. How's it going, man? I already look. I told you I was gonna Thank you. What's up, man?
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment?
I just work here.
Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but I'm in the mood for something a little
Oh, buddy,
more
these hot dogs are pretty foreign.
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want? It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples? Why do you need staples this late at night? Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project.
Okay.
Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet.
By the toilet? Why do we have staples?
Perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again real soon.
Okay, Mr. Skin Stapler, thank you. Appreciate that. I got this hot dog ready for you. I'm just gonna prepare for the next person to come in. Where'd he go? Is he gonna buy them? I'm pretty sure I'm the only register here. Hello. How you doing? I've been waiting all day to get my hands on a wiener. Well, you're in luck. Here you go. Please don't. What is going on here, bro? Yeah, have a good one. I'm gonna pre-cook a wiener. Okay. What the fuck is going on, dude? Please don't come again. Look at this fucking guy. Sir, I'll be right with you. Give me a meaty, juicy one. Sir, I'm begging you. Please don't do any freaky shit with the hot... Please don't do any freaky shit with the hot dog. You look like a respectable gentleman, please. I feel like I can't even look. Okay. Sick. It's just what's with all these people throating wieners, dude? What happened to Dick? Is this what we're gonna be doing all day? Oh, they're not going for they're not coming straight here for the hot dogs? Oh, sick, dude. Okay. This person isn't getting a hot dog. They are now my favorite person in the game. I'm just gonna pre-prepare this. I know it's not for you. You don't want a hot dog.
Hey, Hexy.
Oh, hey, it's a friend.
Hey, a shrimp queen.
What?
It's comfort food. Don't.
Oh, my bad. My bad. Shrimp queen, because she got the little shrimp ramen noodles.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon.
Are we finna huzz up Blair, dude?
How much I owe ya?
Oh, it's free.
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-athetic tonight.
That shit was ass.
Oh, you should be arrested for that one.
You should.
Sexy. I'll see you later.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Later. W. Blair. My chair went down. I'm way down here now. Sick. Skills.
Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem?
I almost fell out of my seat.
Seems you're all out of staples.
Dude, it's been like 4 customers, bro.
I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you.
Hexy, look at it.
Oh, that might be fun.
I almost shit myself,
I
bro.
did see something I liked very much. But
What?
Oh, shit.
I could see this establishment doesn't employ the
Oh, fuck, I skipped the
brightest.
dialogue.
But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend.
Thank you. He's gonna go kill Blair.
Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever.
He's gonna kill
By
Blair.
the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
That's where he went. You know what, Skin Stapler? You think I'm afraid of you? I'll fight him right now, dude. I'm not afraid. Oh.
Great. Now I need to fix the toilet. Just what I needed.
Nah, let's go chase his ass down, bro. I'm gonna shit my pants in this. My god, this looks fucking freaky. What is this? Why do we have a trough?
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter.
The plunger's right here. Now we got a weapon, dude. I know the Skin Stapler doesn't want this shit in his... But... Are you fucking for real? Oh my god, bro. Bro had a Mondo Duke in that hoe. Uh-huh. Clog that toilet. That's all we can do. It's what we gotta do. Bro, get your face out of there.
This stupid thing isn't working.
Dog, get your head away from there.
What the... What is that sound?
What the fuck is it? He got shitted on. Gutters and bowling alley. This is a long demo. Depending on the time, maybe I won't play Todd. We'll see. Oh, we're gonna play as Blair? She got the ramen noodles?
break's pretty much over. I better head inside and talk to Lucas.
Nah, we're squaring up with the skin stapler, bro. That motherfucker thought I wouldn't see his ass, bro. Dang, we're right across the street from this place. Why is everything fenced up like a prison? Lucas. Wake up, bro. Oh, he's over there. This place is fucking trash. Why would anyone come here? Look at this. God damn it. These fucking lanes. Dog.
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity.
What?
Lucas!
Oh.
What the hell?
That fucking hawk is insane.
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
Is Hexy dead? Did he die of shit?
I wasn't sleeping. I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is
We're about to have
dead.
the skin stapler.
I don't know how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Probably.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Alright, dog.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you
This
can go
cup
pass
of
out somewhere
nudies.
else.
Where's the break room at? Is he still out there? Where he at? Where'd he go? Where is he? Is this my whip? The fuck is on the side of my whip? Where's he at? That shit's freaky though. That's a good little attention to detail for those who may or may not have been paying attention to, I guess, just the background. Nah, besides the whole wiener sucking thing, pretty fire. Is this where I can nuke my nudies? Oh shit, dude. Glizzy? Oh.
I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas.
He can go. Lucas is gonna be fucking dead, isn't he? Oh, he's just chilling. What's up, guy?
Alright, Lucas. You can get out of here.
You? Get the fuck out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Like?
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
But we need to fight this fool.
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose?
Yeah.
After that, there are a few balls that need polishing.
Oh my
and
god, this is
some
about to be a whole
shoes that
balls
need to be
thing.
deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
What?
Wow, Lucas. Just
Catch you later, Blair.
Fuck off, weirdo. Noodles. Can we check on the noodles? Holy shit, these things microwave for 40 years. Okay, let's polish the balls and deodorize the shoes. Oh, and we also have to get the ball stuck out of the conveyor. Alright, that sounds easy enough. No? How do I get back here? I don't need to go behind the counter yet? Really? How do I deodorize the shoe? Ah, whatever. Which one of these has the ball stuck in it? Alright. Investigate the busted ball feeder. Okay. Quick time event? Okay. Oh, there you go. Just fucking beat the shit out of it. Oh. Oh. When in doubt, restart. Oh, sick. Oh my goodness fucking gracious.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
Dude, she would have died.
I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
Okay, bet. What up, guy? Skin Stapler, how you doing, man?
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Bro, dude, he can't be that hard to catch.
Well, hello.
He's just chilling everywhere.
Lovely little establishment this is, with an adorable little creature running it.
Why is this place open so late?
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane? Or am I gonna have to call the police?
I am here to purchase an experience.
Hey, he's selling it. She gotta sell it more.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
That's a steal.
So direct. I like that.
$5 a game? Dude, it's like $60 a game per
Like
lane
a
here.
fresh cut.
Alright, dog.
Thanks. I think.
Let me ask you a question.
Excuse me.
Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
No.
You mean like my work uniform?
Oh, yeah.
Sure. Let's
Yeah?
call it that.
That could be a thing.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions.
Facts.
Either buy a lane or get out.
Ah, no need to be a bully, darling.
Darling.
I'll take lane 6. Thank you.
Yeah, you have a good one. Enjoy. Does this guy actually kill anyone? Or just come shopping and then go...
Total creep.
Dude, I do not... This is not an ideal arrangement, I would say. Oh, I kind of like this. It's kind of cool. I don't know why. I'm literally just doing WASD. Oh. There we go. Dude, this is not a polishing. This thing is destroyed. Oh. Okay, he's still there. Right. Okay, they literally just got me working, dude. Hopefully he doesn't scare me, because I really gotta go to the bathroom. This is a long demo. It's almost an hour. Are you fucking for real right now, dude? I don't really want to polish the last ball. He did scare the fuck out of me. We chilling over here. We good. I ain't gonna be close to the screen. I'm gonna poop my pants.
All right, time to clean the stinky shoes.
Where is he? Nah, I don't like this. Where'd he go? Where he at? Where's the shoes? Hey buddy, how's it going? Where's the shoes? Is it these? Can we go jump him, dude? Dude, you see, you can win any horror game. You can beat the fear by just jumping the main like creature. And my chair's broke again. It doesn't stay up. Oh shit! I almost just unplugged everything. All right. Where's the shoes that need to be cleaned? Am I tweaking? Oh, it's right here. Here we go.
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
What? Oh, there's a little health bar. I didn't get that other one to max health. Okay, he's not moving. Okay, he's leaving me alone. We're good. Thank you, Mr. Skin Stapler. And I see his head. I can low-key.
That should do it.
Where the fuck he go? Where'd he go? Where is he? Stay behind the counter for what? Do I gotta put him away? He's somewhere in here.
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling.
He was sitting there and then he was staring at us.
Whatever. Now that he's gone.
He's not gone.
Make up a nudies real fast.
Oh my god, we're fucked. We're dead. We're dead. It's over. It's over. It's over. We are dead. We should leave. Can we? Oh wow, grab my cup of nudies.
I'll eat this back at the register.
Why? Eat it here. Oh, you getting freaky. No.
What happened?
No. Yo, what the fuck? Oh shit! Oh shit! Dang! Look at that little shrimp. Okay.
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
Now he cooking. Shh. Blair, be quiet.
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
Okay, I'm listening.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
Where is he?
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my
Blair,
body,
shut the
Mr.
fuck up and
Shrimp.
stand up, dude.
Doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed. Look who's away.
Who's this?
Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp. You just crushed him.
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp.
Where's his face?
I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and paralysis, among other things.
He's gonna launch a bowling ball at her head.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
What do you mean?
We're cooked.
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I strip it from your body.
Dude, we need to go.
Please.
No. No. Oh, it didn't work. Wait a minute. I can't hear anything. Oh. Blair. Oh my god, I was gonna alt tab so quick. Oh, that's just her head, right? Oh no. We lost Blair. We lost Blair. Oh, the tragedy. Aha. Oh, that's the cover now. Okay, that's Dick, that's Robbie. That was a W game, dude. W demo. We're gonna definitely add that to the wish list. Shout out to the homie for recommending that to me. It was a little longer than I thought it would be, but yeah.